be transiting to different languages, so stay tuned. Let me start from English first. My name is Precious Uchitufili Kalu. I was born and brought up in Abia State. Aba precisely, so I'm actually an Aba girl. So I study computer science, but right now I'm a scriptwriter, content creator, Facebook and YouTube content creator, and an actress, and also an influencer and a brand ambassador to be. So let me speak to Igbo. Precious Sopani Igbo. Precious Sopani Igbo Paul Lagana Sube. Kehogan Igbo no. That's my friend referring to me. Sopani Igbo. Then my one swore the Igbo. The next thing that you see is that you go the one I saw you. Eh? Precious laying I saw you. You can't see wolf from a Kamafi laying I saw you. And the problem is that we have different way of speaking Igbo. The way Anambra, Ebony, and Enugu speak is not the same, but because they are not from my side, they want me to speak Igbo like them. When I speak my own, they will start laughing. Then let me speak to pidgin. So I remember one of my friends that is in PH, when he chatted me, it was like, Precious, shipping and science where you do. This one where you come the art movie, come the rice cream. Waiting happen, I tell her, say, you, no be chemical engineer where you study. Now what you they do? Then me say no, I tell her, say, don't see am now, so Nigeria take do us. So these days, not be waiting you study for school where you will do anything where you know say well for you, you do am as far as saying that thing will put food for your table. That's pidgin. Then let me speak to Akwa Ibom State. It can be ibibio or Anna. So when my supervisor, sees me, she'll be like, Precious, about dear. There's how are you? Then I wanna be like, the uncle. And I say, oh yeah, dimmy. Dimi means come. Meaning not finish. And I say, yeah, daka. Then dakankoso. Then when when I'm going, when they see me in the street, and I say makara means fine girl. So that's the Akwa I can actually remember. Then let me speak Yoruba. Yoruba in the morning, ekaro. In the afternoon, ekason. In the when you come back, ekabo. Then another one is awaetien. Ole buruku. Shiwori. Kilo shere. Kilo dera. Kilo she. Kilo di. When I say mo fe jẹun, mo fe ṣeun. That's a Yoruba I can remember. Then let me speak French. The one I can remember when I was in secondary school, bonjour, bon means, comment ça va bien, merci, au revoir means bye. So, that's this language I can actually remember. Please, thanks for watching. Please help me to share. Follow my YouTube channel, follow my Facebook page.